Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the Snapchat account. For this, first you have to make sure that you have installed Snapchat application in your phone. To install Snapchat application in your Android phone, you have to go to the Play Store and search for the Snapchat. When you search for it, you have to install it. When you see that Snapchat application is already installed in your phone, you have to go back and open your Snapchat application. Then go to the sign up. Here you will see two options. Enter your name, first name and second name here. Then click on sign up and accept. Here you have to select your date of birth and then continue. When you continue, you will see that they will give you a username. You can continue with this username, but you can also change your username by clicking on change the username and make it as easy as you want. Then continue. When you continue, you have to enter your password here and then continue. When you continue, you have to enter your email here. Then you have to enter your phone number. You can also skip that option. Then you have to again continue to find your friends. So now your Snapchat account is created and you can add as many members as you want. Thank you.